Hey guys, Simon here. We're back with another devlog. Of course, it didn't take me long to find a solution to our problem from last devlog, so I stopped recording for like 2 minutes and then I was back in. Basically, what I did is I figured that we could set the index in another function, like when our pointer is gonna enter the button. So as soon as you enter on the button, it's gonna tell the GM, so the game manager. Before it does that, it's gonna set the index upgrade inside of the skeleton blacksmith. So it's gonna set it there, and then when we're gonna go here, for example, upgrade attack, it's gonna take that. So GM dot units unit database, and it's gonna go with unit index to upgrade. Well, actually, no, it's not unit database, it's stat. Unit stat modifiers, unit index. Wait, why is this in parentheses? Supposed to be bracket. There we go. So you're gonna go get the stats modifier of the index that you want. So for example, skeleton warrior is gonna be 0 because it's the first one. So unit index to upgrade will have to be 0 when I set it up with my pointer enter function. So gm.unit stat modifier, and we know that this is for upgrading attack, so attack modifier, and it's going to go plus plus because it's +1. This will change. Okay, this will change eventually to something more in depth, I guess. Because of course we don't just want to do +1. We want to do something else. Like we want to be able to modify a certain unit a certain way, and maybe like archers will have maybe range modifiers, stuff like this. So we'll just test it with +1 for now. Okay. There you go. And I believe that should do it. If we go there, for example. We'll have to do something before that. We have to set our unit stat modifier to be as big as the unit database. Otherwise, we'll have nothing. So element 0 refers to the element 0 of the database, which is the skeleton warrior. So if we go save, technically when we're going to press attack +1, we should see it up there. Like attack modifier for the first one will be +1. So if we go there, upgrade attack, here we go. We have the +1 there. So if I click it a bunch of times, it's going to be +1 until +10 because we have no more resources. Cool, so it works. So let's go just super simple, just for testing purposes again. First of all, I'm just going to go change this and put it for each one. Here we go, and here we go. But we don't want attack, we want defense. For this one we want speed, and for this one we want health. Alright, so now we have two things. As you can see, guys, I didn't set my my pointer enter here, but by default the index is 0, so I was doing it by default. But if I were to put like a skeleton archer and click the upgrade attack, it would have given it to the skeleton warrior. So we're gonna go pointer enter. I'm gonna put it to everything at once, I think. Oh no, I can't. Wait a minute, this is supposed to be out. There we go. All right, so pointer enter, we want to say unit index set and 0. Here we go. Give me another one. Skeleton blacksmith, pointer enter, unit set to 0. Here we go. Skeleton blacksmith. Here we go. Unit index 0. And you know what? Might as well do my other units. It's just gonna be a matter of copying and pasting. It's gonna be super simple. Let me turn this on. So all of this should be, let's go get skeleton warrior image, and I'm going to put those under skeleton warrior image. This way I can just go like this and copy it, of course. So this one will be skeleton archer. Skeleton archer image. So all of these, I don't think I can, no, yeah. So all of these, you want to change just this to 1. It's the same thing. But by changing this to 1, you're gonna tell the program that when you click upgrade speed, so when your pointer enters this, it's gonna say to the game master that game manager, sorry, that you want to upgrade the speed, but for the archer, because it's the second one. So I'm just gonna modify this for where's my skeleton archer? Let's just put the bow walk. I guess it's clear. Oh wait, I might just put the attack. It's better. Let's put that one. I like it. Oh, yep. Here we go. So now it looks like an archer. More. So let's say, for example, okay, where to go. Whoops, I'm just gonna turn this off. We are gonna try to upgrade both the warrior and the archer. So I'm gonna check in my game manager here. Yep. How long has it been? 6 minutes. That's good. So technically element 0 is my warrior and element 1 is my archer. So if I go there and I upgrade the attack of my warrior and upgrade the attack of my archer, there you go. Upgrade health of my archer. I want the speed of my warrior and defense. Oh, the speed didn't work. So what was wrong with this? Did I upgrade my speed? No, I think I did. Just gonna, I don't know, maybe I didn't see correctly. I thought it wasn't upgrading when I was clicking. Let me check. Okay, upgrade speed of my warrior. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, no, it looks like it's working. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So technically I can't upgrade the attack anymore. Nope. And nope, nothing works. Cool. And now I guess we could just have a close button. that'd be the best, because we're stuck now with this. So for example, if I want to go back to my game here, well, there you go, nothing works. And I can't even see anything besides that. So if I turn it off, there you go, I have the rest. Here we go. Alright. So now we can upgrade our units. Let me just real quick, I'm gonna upgrade, also put that, continue this, no, not continue, copy this, put that there, change my skeleton archer icon for a shade. Let me go wizard, not fly forward, let's go idle, I guess. Wait a minute. Supposed to be wizard idle final, and of course it's upside down. Well, not upside down, but it's in reverse. That's pretty big though, eh? Let me check. Which one could I use? Maybe not that one though. I could use that one. It's cool. I don't know. Let's try that one just for testing. Looks good. Yeah, I like it. I like it. And we're gonna flip it. If I go scale -1, is it gonna flip it? Oh my god. Yes, it's gonna flip it, but it's gonna flip the whole thing. -100? No. I'll think about it eventually. It's going to be facing left for now. Who cares? Alright, so again, what do we have to do? We just have to change the index to make it upgrade the shade and not everything else. And if we go, okay, let's try if it works. So what we're going to do, we'll just test one thing first, okay? So when we're going to spawn the units here, initiate battle. So you summon a unit from the database, okay? And you're gonna go summon dot get component unit controller, because that's where we store the stats. So let's go max. Wait, no, not health. The health is stored in the other one. Let's go min damage. We're gonna multiply it. Multiply equal by 100 F plus, and we're gonna go get that summon. Well, no, yes. Hold on. If I want to go get their, I'm gonna have to save it in the unit controller first. Check it out. What I'm gonna do. I'm gonna create a function real quick. Here, public void. I don't want to use save because I'm going to use save and load eventually in another function. Let's go set modifiers. Here we go. Super simple. You're going to go. You're going to loop through all the modifiers. So unit stats modifiers dot count. So you're going to loop this. And oh no, hold on. No, never mind. How would I know? Oh, there you go. It's I. Unit database placed unit I. No. Unit database index. There you go. I already had it. I'm dumb. I'm so dumb. Here we go. So we're gonna take that, and we're gonna go modifiers. So unit stats modifiers, and we're gonna copy that. Dot attack modifier. Here we go. Wait, that's super crazy. I multiply this by 100. That doesn't make any sense. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this with this, and we're gonna divide it by 100F. So this way, you're telling the thing, take the min damage and multiply it by 100 plus the stats. Let's say, for example, it's 5, so 105, and divide it by 100. So it's going to end up being 1.05, which stands for 105% when you multiply it by that. So it's going to give you better stats. So if I go like this, I just copy this, paste it again, change min for max. So this way, now we have min damage and max damage modified by the attack modifier. So if I go back in my game just for fun, okay? I know we can't close this. We're gonna have to modify a few things after, but just for the sake of knowing it works, okay? We're gonna go hit play. Wait, turn this off. I want to do it the right way. There you go. So you go back in the base camp. Okay, just so you know. Okay, let's say for example, I go in my game manager. I check the skeleton warrior. The skeleton warrior does, for example, he does 15 to 25 damage. Okay, so I'm gonna go give him 10 points to attack. So he should do 10% more damage. So technically it should be 16.5 to 27.5. Just for knowing if it works. Okay, attack. It's not showing there. Did I change something? Okay, let me just check if it works. Game manager. Yes. Did I erase my just for checking real quick? Wait, what was it? No, it's the blacksmith. Yeah, I took it out. Okay, I know why. That makes sense. So I'm gonna turn it off manually. Here you go. Now, if I go back in the level selection screen here, and I hit the stage 6, and I summon a bunch of skeleton warriors, and I go initiate battle, will they have, well, I mean, just have the music play, I guess. Skeleton warrior, let's go check their damage. There you go, 16.5, 27.5, it's working well. Perfect. So now we have a working stat modifier. So now what we have to do next is, first of all, set up a way so that it's not this ugly. Make sure that there's a way to close the window, maybe just by moving away from the guy. You know, I know, let's do it right now. You know what? We still have 2 minutes. I'll do it fast, okay? In the animator of this, we're just going to put a bool here, and we're going to say closing. Okay, here we go. So if this is closing, we're going to do this, deactivate it. Wait, no, hold on. Wrong thing. If I go from here to there, so you want it to be an instantaneous transition, and you want it to be closing true. Here we go. So you're gonna go like file here, save. I'm gonna go back in my script. Wait a minute, not internet. Nobody cares. So you're gonna set it to false here. So if you're in range, you're gonna set it active. Okay, so if it's activated and if interactable becomes false, so that means that you're moving away from the target. You want to go. Let me just put that. Oh no, never mind. We're gonna go upgrade troops window. Dot get component. I'm gonna change this. I'm just thinking while doing it. Animator dot set bool closing to true. The problem if we do this is that it's gonna do first of all a get component every single frame, which we'd never want to do. But technically I could just turn off upgrade troops window activated. Oh yeah, we could do that. So this way it does it only one time, equals false. There we go. So it's gonna deactivate it. However, this is gonna bring a problem. We'll test it. I'll show you guys. Let's say I keep it like this. Okay, so technically if this is true, so closing is true, which we're doing via script, it's going to transition from activated to deactivate. Deactivate was just the animation of it closing, and then when it's done closing, it's going to go to deactivated, which is just being at the 0 scale. Okay. The thing is, we're never deactivating it. So if we're gonna turn it back on, you'll see what happens. Okay. First of all, deactivate it. There you go. Base camp. You'll see the first part is going to be good. We'll talk to him. It'll open up. Here we go. If we move away, it should close. Or not. What did I do wrong? Upgrade troops window activated. Yes. If not interactable, is it because I don't turn off interactable? Get component animator set boot closing true. Is it closing? Yes. Let me try. Let me see what happens. Okay, let me check my blacksmith. What's wrong with you, my man? Okay, you're not interactable, but you're interactable. So if I go away, you become not interactable, but you don't turn it off. If I go my upgrade troops window, it's not closing. If I hit closing, it should be good. Here we go, it's deactivated there. But if I hit E, it's just not doing anything. Alright. One problem at a time. So, easy solution. Animation. Upgrade troops window. Before activate. There's a new clip. Oh no, never mind. Before I activate, that's going to be the script. Before I activate it, I want it to be. Oh wait, I never set it. Oh, of course. I'm dumb. That's funny. So I never set it active. So what I want to do is, because I'm rambling again, but in order for it to reset its animator, like go back to default state, you need to deactivate it and reactivate it. I could deactivate it via script, but then it wouldn't play the deactivation animation. It would just disappear, which I don't really want. I want it to be to make a nice animation to disappear. I know for now it's ugly, but eventually I want to make it nice. So what we're gonna do, we'll see if it works. I'm not sure though, because it's gonna be in the same frame, but let's try it anyway. I'm gonna turn it off and turn it back on. Right? I never did this, so I'll be testing this with you guys. It's possible it doesn't work. But technically, what we just did by setting this to true should solve our other problem that we had before. Let me just turn this off because I always need to turn it off all the time. So, base camp. Let's go see your friend. Hello, buddy. Turn it on. Upgrade attack because I love attack. And then going away. Oh, magic. Is it, the problem is this. Is it gonna work? Oh, it's working! Woohoo! Okay, so what we should do is, I know I set it to deactivate when you're going away. First of all, okay, the deactivate animation should be much faster. Okay, you don't want that to be to take too long, because I don't know, it looks ugly. You don't want to be able to go talk to somebody else while it's still there. There you go. Close fast. Here we go. Cool. But I don't really like the fact that you have to move away from the target to turn it off. I think what should happen is that you can't move anyway. We'll have to make it that you can't move because we're going to use the joystick to move around eventually, and you don't want the player to be able to move when choosing which upgrade to choose from. So well, we have a method of closing it, which is good, but we'll have to change it, which is bad. But anyway, I think that's going to be enough for today, guys. It's been 24 minutes. So next time we're going to try to finish this upgrading units method, and we'll move on to something else, I guess, because you guys might want to see more action, and I understand. So see you next time, guys. Bye bye.